In this video, we are learning about support and support breakdown strategy and make money. Pro traders are also use the strategy.
Welcome everyone. If you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel to support and appreciate my work.
Let's practice this strategy on gold H1 latest chart. We found a green bullish candle as a support and draw a support line here, and wait for the breakdown to enter and sell trade. Finally, we saw the breakdown the support line, and take a sell trade here. Stop lose above the support line and use trailing stop.
Trade goes in right direction simply. But we found another support here. Let's draw another support line here and wait for the strategy to enter in next trade. Finally, we found another breakdown the support line and take a sell trade. Sometimes price retests the support line. It will be confirmation of sell trend. Let's check this strategy.
Keep practice with this strategy again and again. One day you will become a pro trader. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about Forex trading, like, share, comment, and subscribe. We will provide traders helping information to become pro trader.